Namaste, I'm Adi Shakti and this is Behind the Asana. Today I'm going to talk about Chandra Bedhana. So the last video that we published was about Surya Bedhana, and I did kind of a larger explanation of the entire solar-lunar balancing process. So I encourage you, if you haven't watched that video already, go back and watch the last video on Surya Bedhana. Okay? So Chandra Bedhana. Chandra Bedhana is just like Surya Bedhana, except the opposite. So now if we're noticing that we have a lot of heat, we have a lot of masculine energy, maybe we're in a new moon phase and we have a lot of energy and we're maybe feeling a little more aggressive, or for whatever reason we need to kind of slow things down a bit. We need to get a bit more lunar, a bit more grounded. What we can do is the Chandra Bedhana practice. So we take our pranayama mudra, just like we learned last time, the pointer finger and the thumb, or the pointer finger and the middle finger, to the base of the thumb or to Ajna chakra, our third eye. Okay, and we exhale, 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 exhale to the toes, exhale, even more, exhale everything up and out of the lungs, exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale through the left side this time. Exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right, inhale left, exhale right, inhale left, exhale right, until you start to restore more balance. So we have Surya Bedhana. So Surya is the sun. You can think of Surya Namaskar, for example, is the sun salutation. And then we have Chandra, so maybe Ardha Chandrasana, right? We hear that, which is the half moon. So Chandra is moon, Surya is sun. So just pay attention to which one of your nostrils may be out of balance, and whatever one needs more flow, you can do either Surya Bedhana or Chandra Bedhana to restore that energetic balance in our solar and lunar systems. I'm Adi Shakti. This is Behind the Asana. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.